Okay, so you're first going to start out by going to beachbodyondemand.com and you're going to create a login for yourself and a password, and that's going to give you access to all of the workout programs available on Beachbody. The first one that hopefully should come up is you'll click the top right hand corner and you'll click workouts. And since you purchased the VIP early access to Barre, that should be on there. So you'll click on that and there's going to be an overview, a workout list, and a program materials. Program materials is where you're going to find everything that you need to get started. You'll want to go watch the getting started. You'll want to check out the calendar. You'll get mailed one as well. But if you want to check it out and get started now, then you're going to click on the nutrition tab and there's going to be lots of stuff under there. There's going to be the Beachbody nutrition. There's going to be a program called To Be Mindset, a program called Ultimate Portion Fix. The basic Beachbody nutrition is what it's going to give you the most information on the Barre program. And then it's going to give you a peek into the other options. The To Be Mindset is a nutrition program and the Ultimate Portion Fix is a nutrition program. So you'll click on the Beachbody Nutrition and it's going to give you some of the basic principles for your nutrition program. It's going to give you some examples of breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and it's going to go over the supplements, like the Shakeology and what the benefits of that are. It's going to go over the performance stack, which are the supplements. So the pre-workout, the post-workout, the creatine, the hydrate, the beach bars, which are great for if you're really snacky, the boosts that go into your shakes, the collagen. It's just going to give you an overview of what some of the products that you could use are. And it's going to give you a brief summary of the 2 different nutrition programs that are available. Now, they're also going to give you a calorie calculator or a calorie recommender chart. So you're going to figure out what your goal is on the left. And if it's weight loss, you're going to go to the weight loss section and then you're going to choose your weight and it's going to give you your calorie count. Here are some examples of some breakfast recipes, some lunch, and some dinner recipes. And under each recipe, you're going to see those red and yellow and blue boxes. That's for the Ultimate Portion Fix. And then there's going to be another thing under there that says To Be Mindset. And that's for the other nutrition plan. Now, every program has a nutrition program, but the one that I always direct my girls to is under 21 Day Fix program. So if you'll go back to workouts, click on 21 Day Fix. And you're going to click on program materials and you're going to scroll down to nutrition, the nutrition tab. Autumn Calabrese is the trainer of this program, and she's also the one that created Ultimate Portion Fix meal nutrition plan. So she gives more detailed information, which I like. Here she gives you a food list. Your green is all your veggies you can have. Your purple's all your fruits you can have. Your red is all your protein. Your yellow is all of your carbs. And then if you scroll over, your blue container is your healthy fats. Your orange is your dressings and your seeds. In the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see the picture of the portion containers. Those are what each box means. So you would fill your green cup with a certain veggie that you're eating. You'd fill your purple cup with whatever fruit you want, so that you're not counting calories, you're not counting carbs, you're not counting anything. You're just filling up your container and plating it. Let's see here. Under each so basically you'll click on the 21 Day Fix nutrition plan and it's going to show you the table of contents. It's going to show you how to get started with 21 Day Fix, but we're just focusing on the nutrition part of it here. These containers you can get on beachbody.com. You can get them on Amazon. I think you can even get them at Walmart. And so it's going to give you a calculator. So you plug in your weight to find your calorie target based on your goals. And based on your calorie target, up at the top yellow box there, whichever calorie target is yours, right underneath it is going to be your plan. So that's the plan that you're going to follow. And each plan gives you how many containers you can have a day. So 6 green containers, 4 purple containers, 6 red containers, and it also gives you some tracker sheets that I highly recommend printing out if you like to stay organized like that. When I first started, I printed out my food list. I printed out my tracker sheet. I printed out like everything that I needed, some recipes to keep on hand. And each recipe that they give, you'll always see the container next to it. So this recipe has 2 servings of green or 1 serving of purple, and so on and so forth. And so again, it just gives you the breakdown of all of the proteins you can have, all of the carbs you can have, all of the foods that you can have with each container. And like I said, you can purchase these on Beachbody. I purchased mine when I first started on Amazon. I got a 2-pack so that I can just always have some on hand. I think now you can even get them at Walmart. If you don't want to purchase the containers, no problem. There is a conversion sheet that you could just use the measuring cups and do it like that. So like a green container is equivalent to a 1 cup measuring cup. The purple container is also equivalent to a 1 cup measuring cup, and so on and so forth. And we do have that listed in our FitFam, and I'll tag you in it. So when you go back to the Barre Blend program, you're going to see everything that you need to be successful in this program. I highly encourage you to just spend some time today going through the program materials, going through the workout list, looking at the overview. I highly recommend when you click on workout list, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see like getting started. You're going to see meet the trainer. And these are just quick videos, but I highly recommend you watch them because you're really going to get a good sense of what you're about to start, who the trainer is, what her mission is. It's so important to do that. Because you purchase the VIP access, you get access to 10 of the prep workouts. Well, they're not prep workouts. There are prep workouts, and then there's 10 workouts that you get started with. Nobody else has access to these unless they purchase the VIP access. So you have all of these for a certain amount of time, and then I think it's like for a couple weeks. And then they're going to go away for a minute, and we're going to get plugged into the trainer's Facebook group, her challenge group. So one of the really cool things about getting the VIP early access is that you get to be in a group with the trainer who created this program. And she's going to give us tips. She's going to give us daily motivation. She's going to answer all of the questions. And so that's why some of the best results come out of these launches, because you get to do it with the trainer. So anyways, you'll want to start on those workouts, and going back to the meal plan, there's going to be a 7-day sample meal plan for the Ultimate Portion Fix. There's also going to be a 7-day sample meal plan for the other nutrition program called To Be Mindset. Now, I am more familiar with the Ultimate Portion Fix because that's what I've done myself. And so you would just scroll down. There's the To Be Mindset one, and then there's all of the plans for the Ultimate Portion Fix one, because there's like plan A through E. So you click on whichever plan you are, and then you can print that out. And that just gives you an idea of exactly what to eat throughout the day, how many container counts it is. And then if you scroll down even, there's like a grocery list. And then there's just like tips on like how to start your week. I personally meal prep. And so when I meal prep, I measure out all of my containers on the front end and prep them in all of my containers, my like Tupperware. So that way all of my meals are set for the week, and I've already counted all of my container counts, if that makes sense. So that's a really great tip too. But basically, this is a great way to start with the 7-day example. And then you can kind of get an idea of how many containers you get. And you can, at the beginning of every week, or at the end of every week, I do mine on Sundays, you can create your own meal plan. You can plug in your own recipes and foods that you want to eat for the week. I really highly suggest meal planning or meal prepping if you do work full time, because it's just an easy way to be able to grab for what you've already prepped. You don't have to think about it. You just eat what you've prepped. This is an example of the To Be Mindset 7-day meal plan. This one doesn't use containers. It doesn't use calories. It doesn't use carbs. Basically, it uses a theory or a method of veggies most, water first, measure, or actually they do measure. They weigh, I think they weigh everything, or they document everything. So anything that you eat, you're journaling, you're tracking, and you're tracking your daily weight, you're tracking your daily intake. And that way it's more of like an intuitive thinking or eating plan. And so you can kind of see what week you had really good weight loss and what you ate and so on and so forth. For the 2 nutrition plans, the To Be Mindset and the Ultimate Portion Fix, you do have to subscribe to like a membership, and they give you like way more in-depth training on like nutrition and how to eat and all that stuff, which I can give you more information on that if you want. But Autumn Calabrese does a really good job in 21 Day Fix of giving you the base start of what you need. So here's the workout list. You can stream them from your phone, your laptop, your smart TV. And what's really cool is you get access to every Beachbody program. You can filter these by fitness level, by the time duration that you're looking for, the type of workout you want to do, like if you want to do yoga or if you want to do weightlifting or dance. There's all kinds of different programs that you can do. And then once you're more familiar with all of the programs and the trainers, you can even search by trainer, which is cool. But that's your like overview of Beachbody On Demand. Every single program has a meal plan with it, and they're almost all the same, just a little bit of variety with each one, based on each trainer essentially. But this is the program that we're doing, the Lift 4. And what's cool is you can buy challenge packs, like you bought a challenge pack specific to Barre. And so you're getting all of the extra goodies for this program. You're getting the calendar, you're getting the I am affirmation cards, you're getting the workbook, etc. Now you get access to all of the programs though. So in all of the programs under program materials, there's going to be everything that you need, like the nutrition plan and the calendar and any of the program materials that you might need to print out that may have come with those certain challenge packs, if that makes sense. So you still have access to all of the programs. So when you're done with this one, you can choose to redo it again, or you can dive into a different one, which is so cool. I hope that helped. I know it was a lot of information.